beyond thrilled to be standing before you, witnessing the birth of something truly remarkable. The Newtown Fashion and Textiles Academy is not just about fashion. It's about a vibrant new future for the creative industries right here in Newtown. This historic building, which has welcomed pioneers like Laura Ashley and Price Jones, the very visionaries who helped establish textile production in this region, will now serve as a launch pad for the new generation of fashion talent. And tonight you're in for a treat because we have a jam-packed evening ahead. Myself started in fashion at a young age, I can't express how excited I personally am to see the opportunities this academy will create for the talented young people of Newtown. So we are about to witness a revolution in fashion education, and I can't wait to see what is next.